Namaste, this is Hani Vachani and you're watching channel Being Harmony, a harmonious way of living life. And I'm getting a very good feedbacks on the comment box and in my WhatsApp and other groups also. And that it's helping you, the series is helping you, and I'm really glad that it is. And all this thing, whatever I do, whether it's an FB live or book reading or starting Love Yourself affirmation groups, all are really inspired action. I just get some insight in my meditation or something like that, and the things start, and it touches people's hearts. And I'm really glad that you're part of this on my journey with me. And let's see today. Today we are reading wisdom from Louise Hay's book called Trust Life, and we are on day 17. And every day, I read it only along with you, and I'm looking forward to it. Though I've read this book quite a lot of time before, and I don't remember which day is what. And I feel it's a new thing. And every time I read it or listen to my own videos, I go a step deeper into myself. And I hope the same with you. So, here we go. I love myself totally in the now. Wow. So I love myself totally in the now. Not that because I will do something, I'll achieve something, I'll become something, or when I'll get so and so thing, or when my kids or my spouse or my career, anything. No. We're not waiting for any future achievements. I love myself totally in the now. Affirm it. It's so beautiful, because I just got a message from a friend. She was a client before, and she couldn't complete the journey. She had her own setbacks, and she was like, I can't love myself, honey, even now. I just don't like to look at myself in the mirror and say I love me. It's not difficult. It's really not. Try it out, or be willing to love yourself. Just be willing. If you cannot say I love you in the mirror, just say I'm willing to love you. I'm willing to look into my eyes. I'm willing to start this journey of loving myself. If you're not willing to, just be willing to be willing to. Because this is the only journey. Again, I had a conversation with one of my other friend, or my coachee again, and she also had the same issue. And I said, whatever, whether today or after 10 years or maybe next life, anytime you have to begin this journey. I have really been to many spiritual courses and many spiritual gurus, and I've realized the ultimate, you choose any path. You can choose any path. I'm not telling you to stick to this or that. But ultimate is loving and accepting the way you are now. It's so very important that we start doing it, because we have a long way to go. It's not that once you start, you finish off in day one or something. It's a process. Sooner we start, becomes easier for us. Life becomes easier. Maybe challenges and all will come and go, but what remains inside you is love for yourself. The peace and the joy and that feeling of love within is amazing, and we all need to develop that. Okay, I haven't even read a word, I'm sorry. I'll start now. Many of us come from dysfunctional homes. We carry over a lot of negative feelings about who we are and our relationship to life. Our childhood may have been filled with abuse, and perhaps that abuse has continued into our adult lives. When we learn early about fear and abuse, we often continue to recreate those experiences as we grow up. We may be harsh with ourselves, interpreting the lack of love and affection to mean that we are bad and deserve such abuse. We need to realize that we have the power to change all of this. So past is over. No matter what our past was, it might be not that good, and it might have created those limiting beliefs, but the point of power is in the present moment. So we can choose to start loving ourselves now. All the events we have experienced in our lifetime up to the present moment have been created by our thoughts and beliefs from the past. We do not want to look back on our lives with shame. We want to look at the past as part of the richness and fullness of life. Without this richness and fullness, we would not be here today. There is no reason to beat ourselves up because we didn't do better. We did the best we knew over then. We often survived dreadful circumstances. We now can release the past in love and be grateful that it has brought us to this new awareness. And I must say, all of you are listening to me and watching these videos and joining my affirmation groups in Facebook or on the WhatsApp or joining in my workshops and startingly you can heal your life journey. Your journey has begun. Know that. And it's a process, okay? It's not everything. It is just a process. It will take time. It will take layer after layer. You go deep inside it. And because you all are here, know that whatever past was there, it's gone. You have began your journey. The past can be erased by your present thoughts of loving yourself. And I bless you all that you begin and you continue this journey wherever you are and however possible. Stay connected, because the moment you lose connection, the mind takes over. Again, mind takes you to the past. Again, you go into all those victim mode that I can't do it and it's not for me. Maybe that's for Honey or some Louise, hey? But it doesn't work for me. No, it's not that. It works for everybody. It's a law, okay? So, but in the beginning, you need association, you need rubbing, you need a bit of coaching or a bit of workshops. If you cannot afford all those things, you don't have time or money, attend all my free sessions, my live sessions, my all these videos and all, or you can go through the books. And I have Saturdays, last Saturday of the month, of free webinars, always in dedication of Louise, that you can attend. We have beautiful groups where we share things. Join them and stay connected. You know, you need support and it's okay to ask for support in the beginning. Do take care of yourself. You really deserve your own care and love, okay? So this is Honey with Chani, your Love Yourself Life Coach. And again, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe it right now. And you will comment, what do you think about this video? What are your takeaway? And what is that one affirmation you're going to do it? And how you're going to take forward this journey? Alright, I'm waiting for your answers or your feedbacks or your replies, what's happening with you, so that I can create more videos and all based on your feedback, okay? Love you all. Namaste.